Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we are dealing with differential equations, right? So 2 marks questions. So we can expect so many 2 marks questions from this topic. That's why we are doing lot of problems. So actually if you are perfect with the formulas, just apply the formula. Suppose product form, apply the product formula. Quotient form, given problem is in quotient form, apply the quotient form, right? Then sin x, all standard formulas are there, just apply in it and get your answer. Okay, so come on, now come to the first question. What is your first question? If y is equal to this one, find dy by dx. So come on, if y is equal to, what is the formula? Cot inverse of x cube whole square. Okay, so we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cot inverse of x cube whole square. So just some variable is having power x to the power of n form. D by dx of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of the variable. So we can write that as 2. In n place we are having 2, in variable place we are having this one. So it is cot inverse of x cube to the power of 2 minus 1 into d by dx of cot inverse of x cube. Okay, so which formula we used? We used d by dx of x to the power of n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of x is the formula. So is equal to 2 into cot inverse x cube to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is, what is the standard formula? D by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of x will be there in all the formulas, right? So we will use that formula, minus 1 by 1 plus, in x place, here only x is there, x square. Here we are having x cube, so x cube whole square. So x cube whole square into d by dx of x cube. Actually here into d by dx of x, in all the formulas into d by dx of that variable will be there. It is understood. Okay. So is equal to d by dx of x cube is 3x square. 3 2s are 6, right? So 6x square cot inverse x cube by, minus is also there, right? If we multiply with minus, total value will be minus, by 1 plus x to the power of 6 is the answer of this question. So already we have gone through all these formulas so many times, that's why I am doing fastly, right? So very simple, cot inverse x form, but instead of x we are having x cube. Okay, and first variable to the power of n form, right? N into x to the power of n minus 1 d by dx of x. Next again in that form we are having like this, instead of x, x cube. Apply the cot inverse formula. Okay, now come to the second question. Okay, so what is your second question? If x is equal to this one, this is a 4 marks question. Okay, so if x to the power of y is equal to e to the power of x minus y, then show that. So show that problem. So it is 4 marks. Remaining all are 2 marks questions, but that question belongs to 4 marks question. So taking log on both sides, right? Taking log on both sides. Okay, so come on, what happens? Log of x to the power of y is equal to log of e to the power of x minus y. Okay, so there is one formula. What is that formula? Log of a to the power of m is equal to m log a, right? So log of a to the power of m form. So it is y into log x is equal to x minus y. Why? Again there is one formula, log of e to the power of any variable is equals to that variable. Instead of x we are having x minus y. So here also y term is there, here also y term is there. Bring this side, y plus y log x is equal to x. So from this you take, from these two you take y common outside, then it is 1 plus log x is equal to x. Then what will be your y? Y is equal to x by 1 plus log x. Okay, so with this we have to prove that dy by dx value. Okay, so u by v form, no? If we take dy by dx, so what happens? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x by 1 plus log x, u by v form. So is equal to, what happens to your value? 1 plus log x whole square. Already quotient form we applied so many times, u by v downwards, v square upwards, v, isn't it? What is that? 1 plus log x into d by dx of x minus x into d by dx of 1 plus log x. Okay, so is equal to 1 plus log x whole square. This is 1 plus log x as it is into d by dx of x is 1. 1 into something is something only, minus x into d by dx of 1 is 0 plus d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, so is equal to, this value is equals to 1 plus log x. Come on, 0 plus 1 by x is 1 by x. X into 1 by x means x cancel 1. So minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. Both will get cancel. That is our answer C. We have to prove dy by dx is equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So we can write hence proved. Isn't it? Show that, prove that problems, we have to write hence proved. Okay, so you achieved. Okay, so the answer. Now come to the third question. What is your third question? Find the derivative of. So we have to find d by dx of e to the power of 2x into log of 3x plus 4. U into v form, product form. So is equal to e to the power of 2x d by dx of log of 3x plus 4 plus log of 3x plus 4 into d by dx of e to the power of 2x. Right. So what happens? This is equal to e to the power of 2x d by dx of log of any value is 1 by half that value into d by dx of that value. Isn't it? D by dx of log x is 1 by x into d by dx of that variable. And here plus log of 3x plus 4 into e to the power of 2x into d by dx of 2x is 2. Okay, so is equal to, here what happens? D by dx of 3x plus 4, d by dx of 3x is 3 plus d by dx of 4 is 0. So it is 3. So we can write this as 3 into e to the power of 2x by 3x plus 4 plus log of 3x plus 4 into e to the power of 2x into 2. 2 comes in the beginning. Generally 2a, 2b. First we will write the number, then we will write the variables. That is the answer of your third question. Now come to the fourth question. You take your fourth question as homework. Very simple. See, d by dx of this plus this. First you consider these as two terms. So whenever derivative of plus is there inside the bracket, take the separate derivatives. Then differentiate this separately, differentiate this separately. While differentiating this, you take your product formula. You will get the answer. Now I will do this fifth question. Right. What is that? Fifth question. Take, if y is equal to, what happens? It is cosecant inverse e to the power of 2x plus 1, then find dy by dx. So we have to find dy by dx is equal to d by dx of, what is the value? Cosecant inverse of e to the power of 2x plus 1. So come on, it is d by dx of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x square is the formula. Into d by dx of x will be there. In all the formulas you understand that in all these derivative formulas with respect to x, in those formulas into d by dx of that variable, here we have taken that variable as x. D by dx of x is 1, that's why I am not taking, but if any other variable is there, definitely we have to take that as d by dx of that variable. Okay, remember this point. Right, not only in intermediate, anywhere in any class, while doing the differentiation, in all the formulas d by dx of that variable, particular variable will be there in the formula. Okay, so come on, is equal to, it is minus 1 by, in x place, here x we are having, here we are having e to the power of 2x plus 1. So e to the power of 2x plus 1 root of 1 plus e to the power of 2x plus 1 whole square into d by dx of e to the power of 2x plus 1. Okay, so is equal to minus 1 by e to the power of 2x plus 1 root of 1 plus e to the power of 2x plus 1 whole square. Come on, there is one formula. What is that formula? D by dx of e to the power of x is e to the power of x into d by dx of x. Variable, right? So here instead of x, see, here we are having x, but instead of x we are having 2x plus 1. So here it is e to the power of 2x plus 1 into d by dx of 2x plus 1, right? So whatever be the variable, we have to take that variable. So is equal to e to the power of 2x plus 1, e to the power of 2x plus 1 cancels, minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power of 2x plus 1 whole square. Come on, what is this? Whenever plus is there, we have to take separate derivatives. So it is d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 1. Derivative of all the numbers, all the letters are equals to 0. So that d by dx of 1 is 0. So and d by dx of 2x is 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So minus 2 by root of 1 plus e to the power of 2x plus 1 whole square is the answer. Okay, so that is our fifth question. Okay, so actually they can ask anywhere. For so many 2 marks questions are giving from one topic, means they can give from anywhere, any corner of the chapter. So if you are perfect with the formulas, you can easily solve these problems. Only one thing, in all the formulas in terms of x, at the end d by dx of that variable will be there. But in the given problem, instead of x, sometimes we will get another variable. So be careful while taking that one. So into d by dx of that variable we have to take in each and every problem. Okay, so be perfect with all these problems. So actually previously we can expect 2 very short answers from this differential equation, but because of reduction This year we may get more than 2. That's why practice all 2 marks problems from this chapter. Okay, so be perfect with the formulas, then you can easily play with these differential equations, not only in intermediate, again in second year, again not only in first year, again second year, again degree, engineering, you are going to get differentiation, right? Very important topic. Okay, so perfect with the formulas, practice these problems perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.